sessions in between that I know.
It's worrying that no much action is taken against this. And that is why we are calling upon, and I made this clear, calling upon the relevant authorities. Because again, it is within their mandate, it's within their power to act. Because if those that are in leadership are crying, just like the common mwananchi about Gunism, so now who is helping who? Who will come to the rescue of the common mwananchi? And that is why we're saying our leaders, the police, and every other person in authority, if they had the will, today we would be hearing of some prosecutions already done.
Calling upon our young people that you say no to any kind of hooliganism, goonism, because at the end you may end up losing your life, affecting your family, affecting your community, and at the end is the church losing.
Kama kwa ile kiti, ni nani yule anafaa? Tusindanganyike kwa uongo kwamba fulani na fulani ataweza. Sisi kama viongozi, kama vijana tunaweza. Na tunaweza kusimama kwa gap, na tuweze kubandilisha nchi, na tuweze kujenga hata in the background where we are coming from.